In front of me is Asus ROG Phone 2, and let me show you how to hide or show caller ID on the following device. So first of all, just open the phone dialer. Now you can go to contacts or recents, it's up to you. Just click on the more icon and then select call settings. Now go to the call and now select carrier related right here. Now you will notice additional settings, so just mark it, and here you'll notice SIM1, so pick it. Obviously pick the SIM card in which you would like to change the setup. And now click on caller ID. And as you can see, you can pick either network default, you can pick hide number, or show number. It's up to you, whichever option you prefer. Just click on caller ID and then select the preferred option. I will stay with show number, so my number will be always displayed. And this is it. So this is how you can show or hide caller ID in your Asus ROG Phone 2. Enjoy, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.